Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. I'm here with Jeremy Luter's Gotta Have It Green 2013 Mustang GT. We don't really see a lot of these Gotta Have It Green cars, but Jeremy brought the car to us for quite a bit of work. We did a 2015 Mustang long block, a Mantic twin disc clutch, and a 4 Innovations return fuel system, along with some ID 1050X injectors. You can see the VMP Gen 2 supercharger that he already had on the car with a twin jet 67mm throttle body and the JLT 127mm carbon fiber cold air intake. They actually don't make these anymore, so it's cool seeing these. But you can see the regulator all nicely mounted by us for the 4 Innovations return fuel system. The thing you can't really see too well from up top is the Stainless Works long tube exhaust that's on the car. Car sounds very good, nice tone at idle and part throttle and whatnot, pretty loud at watt. We got the car all put back together with the long block, the clutch and everything like that. Did some break-in miles on the car, and then we put it up on the dyno in 93. On 93, it seemed like the quality of the fuel wasn't the greatest, but it made 609 horsepower. I think it was around 520 or 530 pound-feet of torque. We swapped the car over to E85, bolted the 79mm pulley on, and got the car dialed in on the E85. The car made 700 horsepower, 630 pound-feet at a very conservative timing, considering it's a 15 motor. But he's gonna have to do something different about tires. The car don't hook up too well with the tires that are on it right now. I look forward to seeing this car with a Gen 3 supercharger on it.